welcome back to a new vlog. So I thought I'd vlog today because one, I'm in Manchester doing something a little bit different, and two, I'm with my girl Demi, and we were actually gonna we were actually gonna film or get ready with us, but we didn't, so I'm doing a vlog instead. But we've got an event tonight, so it should be good.
Yeah.
So we're just heading out now, and I have got makeup on and stuff because I just want to get some pictures, because when I'm at home, you know, I've got no one to take pictures for me. And at the moment I have my own personal photographer.
I'm just going for a no makeup look.
So we're just going to head to Starbucks, get a coffee, and then we're going to go and eat lunch, go shopping, and then get ready for the event, and I'll take you with me. Apparently it's like a pink carpet with paparazzi. Yeah. I'm so not ready for it.
Like, what the fuck, when we found out we didn't think it was going to be like that. Amy's doing my makeup so I look glam. For a video on my channel.
Yeah, I'll link it all below. That's if it's up, but I'll link it anyway if not.
It'll be up not long after.
Yeah, so yeah, that's our day, so enjoy. My eyes watering, oh no, look at that, story of my life. So, we've just got to Evelyn's, oh my god, hello, focus. We just got to Evelyn's Cafe Bar. It was really, really cute. I'll just give you a quick 360. Why is it never focused? There we go. There's my lovely date. And we're basically just going to get some brunch. Demi's been here before and she said it's amazing. So
Yeah, and I got like what can I get? I got the
they do buttermilk pancakes. Oh, I don't know. I need to look at this. I need to have a read. Okay, Demi's food has just come, and that actually looks incredible.
It is so good.
And she's got some kind of tomato chips.
Yeah.
That looks so good.
It is literally unreal.
I've got pancakes, so they're coming.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Thank you.
So I've got like avocado and it's all
And I've got pancakes. They're the weirdest looking pancakes ever. They're not flat. Sorry, I need to get this cafe. Why have I was just about to say, why have I never seen this? Well, Amy. You don't, yeah. You've never been here before, mate. Look at this cafe in Primark. Oh my god. Central Park themed. Love that. That is so cool. I'm such a little geek. Hey look. We're in America. Oh.
Yay!
No.
We just started off to San Francisco.
Don't mind us. Such great angles. Primark have a beauty studio. What the hell? This, I'm guessing that's what the... I feel so at home. Harry Potter. Oh my god. Demi, come here.
Can you even see that?
Get that on the book.
Going through the wall! That actually is cool. I love that.
They actually have that at King's Cross. Just a quick outfit of the day for you guys. Cute. Although I have given myself a camel toe, but I've basically had to tuck my trousers up because they're so long. But yeah, cute little outfit. Air Forces. Oh my god, yeah, that looks so bad. I've given myself a proper camel toe. Oops. So we're just back at the hotel now. Didn't really feel much. We literally got lunch, went Primark, and that was it. I've just filmed Demi's makeup for her channel, so I will leave that linked below. And now I'm just going to get ready myself for this evening. And yeah, I want to get loads of pictures, so we're trying to get ready really early. Like, I've got a couple of outfit changes because I'm bougie and I want to get pictures in them just for some content. So we're going to do that. So we're getting ready really early, and then we might film another video depending on the time, but we've got to be there for about 6:30. Yeah, pink carpet, paparazzi ready. Oh god, gonna probably trip over and die. Yeah, so I'll check in with you when I'm all glammed up and I'm ready to go. But yeah, it's been a good day. I feel like I need another day here though. I don't want to leave. I love Manchester. Me and Demi were saying that we both want to come and move here. If anyone wants to rent a room with me, you know, just let me know. But yeah, gonna get ready now. And yeah.
Hi. Is it on me?
Yeah.
Oh, obviously it's. Hi.
You can't really see your makeup.
No.
Close your eyes. You can kind of. You'll see it later. You'll see it later. My nose ring always twists out. Who are these bad bitches? I don't know. See us on the cover of Vogue. I can't lift my arm up because I've taped my tits in so secure, and then I've taped my top to my body, so I actually can't extend my arms. So you're gonna have to have a zoomed in view of me all evening. We've just got ready. We've had a little mini photo shoot.
We're off to the event.
We're off to the bowl. Didn't get pictures of your makeup.
Oh fuck.
I hate myself. It's okay. Hopefully, when you get home, maybe I'll quickly just touch it up.
We'll take one. Baby, been thinking about the way.
Oh, it's me. I went for this number instead. I was going to wear a dress. Why is it so high pitched?
People okay fab on here now, it's cool, haha, what does that mean?
It's a lovely angle. God, I need to get in the gym.
It's like I never do it, and I'm like, oh yeah.
Okay, so at the event, Demi's here, Mommy's here, and we've just had some pickies, and we're just like,
Sorry.
we're just like looking at like all the makeup. We've got some goodie bags over there. There's candy floss, which I might go and get because I'm starving. And there's canapes. We've got the strongest strawberry daiquiris I think I've ever had.
I'm on a big TikTok again.
And yeah, there's like a film set up, and we're gonna watch a film. There's popcorn. Yeah, it's gonna be a very cute evening.
Yeah.
What film were we watching, Gina?
I have no idea.
No.
We were seeing that, like no idea.
No one knows. Anyway, see you there. We've got some candy floss and my picnic.
Cute.
I feel like I literally just like ate this and I've got it all over my lip.
But even the ones with being out, from over there, that upstairs.
Or is that hair? I don't know. But we're just gonna sit down and watch a film. Still don't know what we're watching.
No, it's gonna be a surprise. It'll start and like, what's this?
Yeah. I would Dirty Dancing.
Oh, I feel like that's the kind of thing.
Yeah. Girly, you know, feminine. Yeah. Hoping for hoping for wait, what is that?
Yeah, they came in with it as we went up to the street.
Just in the cinema. It's so cute in here. Look, we've got glossy box popcorn. I know what has happened to my candy floss. So picturesque. Don't judge me.
I'm Emily, if I've not spoken to you yet tonight. I am part of the PR team for Glossy Box. Meg is obviously the influencer manager who you've all been speaking to, and Katie is our brand manager. Our March box is the theme, All Eyes on Me. So we thought tonight is the perfect chance for you guys to have the spotlight, to come and join us for a sort of film premiere night and watch a really empowering film because it's part of...
Why is it not focusing?
My feet are killing.
Right, the event is over and it's absolutely freezing. Although in the event they had, look at these really cute like glossy box embroidered blankets for us to snuggle with while we watched Devil Wears Prada.
I think we were allowed to take them. Nobody said we weren't, so we took them.
Yeah, I just was like, they're really cute, I really want one. But it's bloody freezing and now we're just hunting for food. I feel like that looks lively. Should we go that way? Fuck across. But it's so cold. We just want some dinner because we've not had any. I had one prawn and one weird avocado thing and that was it. Oh, I'm so hungry. Right, anyway, I'll check back in with you either one when we get food or two when we're snuggled back in bed because it's cold. So every time I turn the camera on I'm the worst angle. So we've actually just stopped off at a place called Flight Club, the like darts bar, if anyone knows that. And we've stopped for pizza. This is the only place we could find. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're getting pizza because that's all they had. So yeah. Pizza has arrived. Look how big they are. I reckon I'm gonna get to, I reckon I'll eat all that.
I'll probably eat it all.
Alright, competition.
Yeah.
Game on.
I'll win that. You're
Look at Demi with her fucking pint. Honey,
another pie.
I don't underestimate how much I can eat. We're currently drawing, so no worries here. So Demi left half her pizza and I finished.
I didn't. I ate every single slice.
I'm defeated. I ate too much popcorn and too much candy floss and pick a mix. So Demi didn't have snacks. I had 2 bottles of popcorn, candy floss and pick a mix. So
I didn't have snacks, but fair enough.
I literally just turned around to Demi and I went to her for a moment then. I thought you'd taken your shoes off, but she wasn't holding them and I looked at her feet.
It's painful, okay?
Shona, I always do this at the end of a night. Oh my god, how did you get them?
I just pulled the foot bit out.
Look at the state of it.
You don't do
It looks like your ankles are broken. Oh my god, excuse our room. Hey, oh my god, that spot on my eyebrow just tensed my face. Wow. Hello. So we're now back at the hotel. I've just put my pajamas on. I've taken off my eyelashes. Didn't really think that through before filming. But I thought I would just go through my goodie bag with you. I did just see Demi do this, so you know, I kind of already know what's in there, but I'm gonna act surprised. So first up, we have a pair of slippers. I'm not going to get them out because, you know, I've got to travel. But I know that that's slippers because Demi just got them out. Next up, we have this really cute little glossy box, like makeup bag. It just says, hello gorgeous. And then glossy box with a little pom-pom. Very, very adorable. We've got a CBD oil infused sheet mask. I love a sheet mask. I genuinely need all the skincare I can get at the moment because my skin is just a fucking joke. Beauty Pro Spa at Home luxury sheet masks for eyes and face. Interesting. That's a very fancy box for a sheet mask. Oh, we've had this in a glossy box before, Pro Base Primer Oil. And we've actually got one of them still, so I might put that in a giveaway. I have a massive giveaway box. I just need to get around to giving it away. Oh, this is my little lanyard. So when you went in, you got a little lanyard. Very cute. Looks like I work at Glossy Box. We've got a illuminating holographic peel off mask. I feel like I have one of these. I don't know, but anyway. Can you see this? That's so cool. We've also got a eyebrow styler. Love an eyebrow pencil. We've got a night cream, e-cooking. Oh, helps visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I'm gonna have a little smell of that later. I love something that smells nice. Then we've got, oh my god, I feel out of breath. Fucking hell, I'm so unfit I can't even talk. It's all that pizza I just ate. Palmer's cocoa butter formula, soften and smooths dry skin. Lovely jubbly. And finally, the pizzelle, what's that called when it's the last thing and it's French? Pièce de la résistance.
I don't have a clue.
Let me see if that balances there. That's a fucking strong bag. Is a Yankee candle, and this is, oh, that smells just how I would want my bedroom to smell. Did you get the same scent?
What one? Yeah, I think
Sunny
so.
Daydream?
Yeah.
Did you smell it?
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
That smells beautiful. That smells so nice, guys. I don't know if I'm actually going to even burn it though, because I'm not allowed to burn candles in my bedroom.
I know.
Basically, when I used to burn candles in my room, some of the candles would let off like black smoke, and then on my white walls, they looked a bit grey one day, so I just thought, what's that? And I got a makeup wipe and I went, ugh. And then all this like soot just like shifted on the wall, and I was like, oh my god. And then I tried washing it off. Oh my god, smears everywhere. I had to repaint my entire bedroom white.
Shut up.
Yeah, so now I'm scared of lighting candles in my room.
God.
But that does smell nice, so you know, I might. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I can't even remember what I did, but you know, I hope it was interesting. I had a very fun day. I feel like today was good. What did we do?
Yeah, it was.
Starbucks, lunch, shopping, get ready. Yeah, we've had a good day. We've had a really good day. So I'm going to love and leave you. I'll link all the videos that me and Demi have filmed below, and like the ones on her channel, and then obviously the sale shot will be on my channel. So I'll link those below. If I don't, then remind me, or Demi will remind me, or I don't know. I'll probably remember. I don't tend to forget these things. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye. Goodbye.